Hello students, welcome to this trade on woodwork technician carpenter. In this session, we will discover how to study modular furniture and make a plan to create the cabinet you want. In this demonstration, we will explore the world of modular furniture, understanding its design principles and construction concepts. The focus will be on studying various modular furniture designs with a specific emphasis on cabinet structures. Objectives. The objective is to understand modular furniture design, analyze various designs with a focus on cabinets, and then create a detailed plan for constructing a specific cabinet considering user needs, materials, sustainability, safety, and demonstrating proficient construction techniques. By the end of this course, you will be able to familiarize oneself with the principles and concepts of modular furniture design and construction. Study different modular furniture designs with a special focus on cabinets. Present example of modular furniture for both office and domestic use. Understand the task by analyzing the cabinet drawings. Let us now take a look at the tools and equipment required to demonstrate on modular furniture study and plan the making of desired cabinet. Steel tape rule 3 meters, 1 number. Tri-square 200 mm, 1 number. Wooden tri-square 600 mm, 1 number. Firmer chisel 30,50 mm, each 1 number. Marking gauge 1 number. Claw hammer 1 number. Ball peen hammer 1 number. Screwdriver 300 mm, 1 number. T-bar clamps 1 number. C-clamp 1 number. Pincer 1 number. Center punch 1 number. Mallet 1 number. Portable power circular saw 1 number. Portable power planner 1 number. Portable power disc sander 1 number. Portable electric screwdriver and bit 1 number. Portable electric drill light duty and bit 1 number. Now let us see the demonstration on modular furniture study and plan the making of desired cabinet. Points to remember before demonstrating on modular furniture. Familiarize yourself. Ensure you are familiar with the specific design and functionality of the modular furniture piece you are demonstrating. Assembly instructions. Review the assembly instructions thoroughly to understand the proper steps and sequence required for assembly. Tools and equipment. Gather all the necessary tools and equipment needed for assembly such as screwdrivers, wrenches, and Allen keys. Clear workspace. Prepare a clear and spacious area for assembly free from clutter and obstacles. Safety precautions. Prioritize safety by wearing appropriate protective gear such as gloves and safety glasses, and by following all safety guidelines outlined in the instructions. Demonstration order. Plan the demonstration order carefully, starting with the basic components and gradually building up to more complex configurations. Communication. Clearly communicate each step of the assembly process, including any tips or tricks that may help simplify the process for others. Troubleshooting. Be prepared to address any common issues or challenges that may arise during assembly, providing solutions or alternatives such as needed. Task 1. Demonstrate on modular furniture. Office filling cabinets. Modular filling cabinets designed to organize and store documents efficiently in office spaces. Office storage cabinets. Versatile modular storage cabinets for offices, offering flexible solutions for supplies and equipment. Desk hutches. Modular desk hutches providing additional storage space above office desks for enhanced organization. Kitchen pantry cabinets. Modular kitchen pantry cabinets offering customizable storage for food items and kitchen essentials at home. Wardrobe cabinets. Modular wardrobe cabinets for bedrooms providing adjustable shelves and compartments for clothing and accessories. Entertainment center cabinets. Modular cabinets for living room, entertainment centers, accommodating media equipment and providing stylish display options. Bathroom vanity cabinets. Modular bathroom vanity cabinets with adjustable shelves and drawers for personalized storage in domestic settings. Bookcase cabinets. Modular bookcase cabinets suitable for both offices and homes, allowing for flexible storage and display of books and decor. Modular display cabinets. Cabinets designed for displaying items in an organized and aesthetically pleasing manner in both office and domestic spaces. Modular wall cabinets. Wall-mounted modular cabinets for optimizing vertical space suitable for various storage needs in offices and homes. Trainees will note down all the display furniture, name and uses. Record it in your notebook. Get it checked by the instructor. Task 2. Plan for making desired cabinet. Must have a good understanding of the details mentioned in the drawing. Calculate the required size plywood. Determine the required sunmaker for interior and exterior of cabinet. Choose the appropriate shape and size of hinges to suit the cabinet. Choose the suitable handle for the cabinet. Similarly, choose the handle side. Determine the best suited side before finishing the hinges. Plan, mark and cut the plywood according to size and number of pieces. Note the thickness and choose of the sunmaker shades. Calculate the required fevicol and other adhesives. Calculate the required banding edge tape. Note the size and number of screws required. Note the size and type of cabinet lock. Note the size and number of PVC L bracket. Calculate the required leg size. Choose the suitable leg shape for the cabinet. Choose the suitable magnetic door catch. Choose the suitable cabinet hanging rod set. Choose the suitable L-shaped tower bolt. In this topic, We have learned to familiarize oneself with the principles and concepts of modular furniture design and construction. Study different modular furniture designs with a special focus on cabinets. Present examples of modular furniture for both office and domestic use. Understand the task by analyzing the cabinet drawings. I hope you all understood the process of demonstrating on modular furniture study and plan the making of desired cabinet. Thank you, students, and let us meet in the next session. Bye.